Hey, ho, 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 Merry Christmas! How's it going, guys? So today I just want to do like a 5-minute tutorial, show you guys exactly how you can use Kalamint and the Airgap wallet and just go ahead and purchase all of your wonderful NFTs from your phone while relaxing on the couch watching your Christmas specials. So let's go ahead and we'll head over to Brave browser where I've opened up the Kalamint. This kind of assumes that you've logged in and you basically done all of the, connected your wallet and Kalamint, Airgap wallet and everything like that. So just go ahead and click on the NFT that you want. In this case, I'm gonna do this Rocket Monsters Santa Claus. From there, you can basically go to, oopsies, I paid my delegators. Okay, go ahead and stop that. Go ahead and hit press buy now. Okay, then it's gonna open up in another link. It's gonna pop out. Just a second. Hit continue. Just you have to wait for this part to load. It's very important. Hit continue. It'll take you to the Airgap wallet. Sometimes the Airgap wallet has to load your wallet first. You're gonna have to go switch back between apps again. It's pretty simple though. Just go ahead and hit OK. Put in your password. Pretty simple. And then you can just hit confirm here. And your transaction has been successfully broadcasted. So you can just go ahead and head over to Kalamint, and it's processing the buy operation for you. And look at that, you can see my little test. Remember that I did that video on the notification bot? It just actually told me that I bought the NFT. So it should load here on Kalamint in just a second. Crypto Noises bot. So it's really useful. It integrates directly with Kalamint. They did a great job with that. I'm really glad that the dApps are communicating with each other. I think that's one of my favorite parts about Kalamint is that they tend to do that. Tilda's notifier also tells me that. Okay, so now you can go ahead and see the NFT in my... Anyways, guys, thank you for watching, and I hope this helped you go ahead and, NFT search whilst chilling on your couch, hanging out with your family. You guys all have a safe holiday, and I will see you guys next time. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, guys.